Alright guys, welcome back to my channel. It's John R. De La Cruz, Jon-R. or period De La Cruz. So guys, napadpad na tayo sa Quiapo. Ayan. We're in the Philippines, that's what I've said right here. My hometown, my home country. So nandito tayo sa Quiapo, Manila, City of Manila. It's a few hours away from Cavite. So meron tayong ayan, quick vlog lang Hungarian sausage with 2 pieces of siomai, fried rice. Tapos binigyan nila akong libreng ayan, lechon kawali, ayan. Ito yan. Binag na to sarap. Ayan, dragon fruit. Ayan, the famous dragon fruit. Patis, dragon fruit. Yan. Yan. Tapos ayan, marami silang tinda Ayan, medyo po. Yan, fried rice din. Tapos yun, lechon kawali. Grilled burger. Yung sikat sa kanila yung dragon fruit juice. Ayan. Galing. Ito Man. Kasi ang daming serving, 100 pesos lang. And then ito, 50 pesos. Ito natin Here you go guys. Hirap lang, wala akong cameraman Sarap, hi na kayo. Hi kayo, hi Ayan. Shout out. Ang sisipag nila. Ang sarap. Affordable na affordable. Ayan. Ayan guys, sarap. Ayan, may baka yata to Ayan, baka nga. Cow beef, yeah, right. Beef, fried rice. Sarap. Ang init lang. And the weather right now in the Philippines is so a little bit crazy. It rains in the afternoon hanggang gabi. But it's so hot during the day. So ito yung pakita lang natin Ayan, ang dami nila Ayan kaway ka bossing. Pinagpapawisan na si bossing Ito yan. Ito, ayan, yan ang tinda ni bossing Isang malaking kawali. Ayan, Hindi na ako naglagay ng mga ganun kasi. Pero lalagyan natin. Nag-vlog na muna ako Ayan, may siomai. It's so, part pa rin siya ng patis. Patis, yan. Pero wala yung bayad. So, Quiapo Market. Look at this guys, rice fish. Yan, Yan, so, I got a new bracelet. Yan. Then may event doon. Pesta pala ni San Juan. So, alright guys, quick vlog lang. Kasi storage natin is not too much. Yep, Black Nazarene right here. Mga nag-ano sa atin. Yan. There you go. Thank you Lord. Sa wakas, nakabalik ako ng Quiapo. Natikpan ko doon dragon fruit. Nakatikim pa tayo ng bagong product. Oy, thank you so much sa pre-taste. Alright guys, from Quiapo Market, Manila, Philippines. It's John R. De La Cruz, Jon-R. De La Cruz. Enjoying Philippines, guys. God bless. Love you guys. Peace.